station update. We're back here at SeaWorld Orlando for another icebreaker update. In today's video, we're here to check out some of the stuff that has been going up with the coaster. Some changes. Last time we were here, the sign was still being put up, but it's finally up. And there's a lot of cool stuff to check out, and there are workers moving around the station, so maybe testing might happen. Alrighty guys, we're here next to Icebreaker. The construction walls are down, and you can really get close to the coaster. There's only one train on the track, as you can see. It is right here in this station. We got one train. The other train's in the maintenance barn currently. Entrance sign. The entrance sign is all finished. Here we are. Icebreaker's entrance sign looks really nice. So you got the quick queue, general queue, icebergs around it. You'll save your loose articles and your ride safety requirement sign. Right behind it, there it is. Oh yeah, by the way, behind that little thing right there, there's a test seat behind now. Hoping to get a nice view of it. Here it is, the test seat. You can see the test seats right there. It's really cool. It looks like the Tigris one, but it's interesting that it's actually inside the queue line, unlike Tigris. I do find it interesting. Right there's the station. It's a pretty big queue line. Looks like we also have a sign talking about the winter and summer up in the Arctic area. About the trip, that's what it is. I'm guessing at this point. Alrighty guys, we have our first test run of the day. All seats are filled with water dummies. Alrighty guys, so first test run of the day. Just got back into the station. I was going to show you guys the lockers, so let's do them now. So here is the lockers. I think they are actually open. As you can see, these are the right lockers. I think you can. Yeah, you can buy lockers. Okay. So yeah, lockers are open for people. So it's really cool. What if we're about to get in our test run? There's the train. It's in the station. Maybe we might get in our test run in a minute. Test run number 2. Alrighty guys, so SeaWorld has done some updates. They've added grass to this area now. There's I think there used to be the tent where you used to be able to walk under, but SeaWorld has added netting now to there. That must be very recent. Also, these walls have came down. They've fallen over when I was about to record. So we saw test run number 2. Hopefully we'll see another one in a minute. So this part of the restaurant is back open. Part of the Restaurant Burger Place, Altitude Burger Place. I'll show you guys the sign in a second. But you get a really nice views of Icebreaker. Right there's the station. And you can get so close to the line. Because you come onto your side as well. The queue is right there. So a lot has definitely changed since the last time. And we're seeing testing really nicely. One of the trains is right there. And there's the switch track. See if we can catch a train going through there. I wonder if they're going to be transferring this train in the maintenance barn over to the launch track or the station. Because the train that we just saw is still sitting on their launch track. But they might come in and they might do another test run. But maybe they might do 2 train operations. One thing we can see in there, they have this TV screen set up. One of them is actually turned on, but it doesn't have like the ride feature, so you can actually see it right there. The other one is still covered. The train's still sitting there. We have no action on the maintenance barn, so hopefully more testing will happen soon. There's the station. You can really get a nice view on the inside of it. And see, the train's still sitting there. It seems like they're about to move it, but I'm not that sure at this point. Alright, looks like we got a little bit of an issue. Looks like the train is moving back and forth on the launch track, so there might be, on the brake run I'm in, might be a little bit of an issue going on with the ride, but I'm standing here for quite a few minutes. I'm gonna have to leave now from this area. We're gonna move on back over there, so we're not gonna be able to catch a train going to this launch track. Altitude Burgers, the newest burger spot. This is just actually a rebrand of one of their older ones. But it is a part of the new icebreaker area because it's directly next to it. So yeah, it's a really cool place. Well everybody, that's going to have to conclude our day here at SeaWorld Orlando for another icebreaker construction update. I've only was here for about 25 minutes because I'm doing other things today. But I'm glad we were able to see some test runs today. It was only about 3. But it was really cool. We got to explore the new areas in the short amount of time that I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you also share the video to other people so we can get this video out there. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.